Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the Garmin Connect icon to open the app. After you open the Garmin Connect application, you should see My Day page. Now tap on More icon to open the menu. Scroll down, find the Garmin devices, tap on it, and here find your Fenix 7 and select it. Now tap on the More Options icon to open the menu. Tap on Remove Device, tap on Remove, and tap on OK. And here you can tap on Close or Settings to redirect you to Settings. I'm just gonna tap on Close and close this app. Now I'm gonna go to Settings, and here we're gonna tap on Bluetooth. In the Bluetooth settings you should see a list of my devices, and on it you should see your Fenix 7. Once you see it, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device. And at this point you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.